Pavescapes did the best. They offered the best services. They offered the best products. It was a great opportunity to redo the backyard at a reasonable price, get what we wanted, not have to tear out all the concrete and put Pavescapes down on top of it. If I had to do all over again, I would definitely choose Pavescapes to redo our backyard. No, I definitely recommend Pavescapes. They've done a great job, and really the backyard looks spectacular, and I think the Pavescapes being on top of the concrete, making it a much cleaner look, a much fresher look, and it's really easy to take care of. And everybody that I've talked to is going to be using the Pavescapes product, so it has been a really good opportunity for us and for our friends. I just think that anybody that's looking to get a facelift on their backyard but not do a complete remodel of it, it was a real nice opportunity to save money, get the right look, the fresh look. Pavescapes gives them a really good opportunity for that.